Daniel, hey, do you have a moment?
Yeah, of course. What is it?
I need to tell you something. I have been thinking about it for a long time, and I finally decided
Okay, that sounds serious. What is it?
I am leaving my job.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, I am done. I gave them my answer this morning.
You gave them your answer this morning, and you did not tell anyone first?
I told myself every day for a long time. That was enough.
Okay, how long have you been at this job?
4 years since I came back.
4 years, and you never said anything was wrong.
I told myself it would get better, that I just needed more time.
But it did not get better.
No. At some point I said, this is not going to change. I need to be the one to move.
Are you serious? Sarah, when did you decide this?
A few weeks ago. But honestly, I have been thinking about it for almost a year.
A year? Why didn't you say something?
Because I wasn't ready to talk about it. I needed to be sure first.
And you are sure now?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I am trying to understand. What is your plan? What about money?
I have been saving. Not a lot, but enough to give myself some time.
How much time?
Maybe 6 months. Maybe a little more.
Have you thought about what happens if 6 months is not enough?
Yes. Then I find work again. But I am not going to decide that now.
You sound ready.
I have been thinking about it every day for a long time. I know what I want to do.
This is a big thing, Sarah.
I know.
Does anyone at work know yet?
My manager knows. We had a long talk last week.
How did that go?
Better than I thought. She said she understood. That was hard to hear, actually.
Why hard?
Because I thought she would try to talk me out of it. But she did not. She said, if this is what you need, then go.
That sounds like someone good to work for.
She is. Honestly, I did not think it would feel that way.
6 months is not a lot, Sarah.
Daniel, listen. I know 6 months is not a lot. But I cannot stay in a place where I feel like I am wasting my time. Every morning I wake up and think, is this really what I want to do with my life?
I didn't know you felt that way.
I should have told you sooner. I'm sorry.
Why did you not say something? Even just that you are not okay?
Because I did not want to worry you. And I did not know how to say it yet.
You should always tell me things like this.
I know that now.
Don't be sorry. So, what do you want to do instead?
I want to build something of my own. I have an idea. It is small right now, but it is real. I would rather try and fail than spend another year wondering what would have happened.
That sounds like you.
What does that mean?
It means you have always known what you want, even when it makes everyone around you nervous. It means I know you, and I know that when you decide something, you have thought about it more than anyone else would. But Sarah, what is the idea? You said you have one. What is it?
It is a service for people who are moving to a new country. Helping them with the things no one tells you about. The real things, not just the paperwork.
Okay, that is specific. Have you told anyone else about this?
A few people. They think it is good.
And what happens after 6 months if it is not working yet?
Then I look for work again. I am not saying this will work. I am saying I need to find out.
You sound calm about this.
I have been thinking about it for a long time, Daniel. The calm came later. At first, I was terrified.
And now?
Now I am ready. Or close enough.
Have you written anything down? A real plan?
Yes, I have something. It is not perfect, but it is a start.
Can I see it?
Of course. I would really like that.
Show me when you are ready.
I will. Maybe next week.
And what do you need from me right now? Not later. Right now.
Just this. To talk it out with someone who knows me.
You have that.
I know. That is why you are the first person I call. So are you saying you support me? Or are you still worried?
I am always going to worry a little. That is just how I am.
Daniel.
Yes, I support you. I just needed to hear the whole thing.
That is why I called you first.
Your family doesn't know yet?
I will tell them when I am ready.
Okay, take your time.
I will let you know once I talk to them.
Same, I am here.
Just stay open. I need that from you.
Fair enough. So what happens now?
Now I figure it out. One day at a time.
We will figure it out together.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I am here if you need anything.
Thank you, Daniel. This conversation helped more than you know.
Go, you have work to do.
I guess I do. Talk soon.
Talk soon.
Dan.